Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create easy thumbnails for your YouTube video with just using your smartphone. At first you need to install and open Canva, press the plus button and open a new project 16:9. For your background you can choose any color you like or just use a picture you can upload. Use your fingers to adjust the size of the picture, grab the edges to cut the picture. You can add elements, for example this line here to separate both sides. You can also add a text to your thumbnail and adjust it. There are many options to adjust the text, for example the font, the size, the color, or even some effects. Find the right position and format for your text, and always remember the golden rule: 3 objects for a thumbnail is totally enough. This thumbnail is just an example. I will add a smiley to fill the free place. Thank you for watching and see you next time.